Hi, everyone. We're MVPEA, and this is our first project presentation for SnapStays. Now on to meeting the team.
Hi, I'm Mariana Torres and I'm a developer.
Hi, I'm Victoria de Alba and I'm project manager.
I'm Pedro Camargo, and I'm the Scrum Master.
I'm Emmanuel Mora, and I'm a developer.
I'm Alyssa Foglia, and I'm a developer.
Now, as far as our action items, we'll first discuss our project overview. We'll then discuss our project design and architecture. We'll go over some project progress and then discuss our individual contributions to the project.
So let's start off with a quick overview of our project. So SnapStays is a platform that allows users to post short-term living solutions for college students. So we're starting off with only students for Santa Fe and the University of Florida, and they can post subleases on our platform. Some of our key features are the ability for users to list their rental properties, a map to help users visualize the location of that property, some advanced filtering options so that everyone can get a property that fits their needs, and a robust user verification system to prevent scams.
Now onto our project design. So for our architecture, SnapStays uses a client-server software architecture and our Marin stack. So we chose to use React because we want to use their components and their states in combination with Material UI just to make the visuals look nicer. GraphQL handles all of the API-related operations and connects the front end to the back end. Our server is a combination of Node.js, Express, and Apollo server, which helps with GraphQL. And then finally, our database stores all of the data in MongoDB, and we use Mongoose to connect that to the server.
Next, let's discuss our project progress. The initial milestone we achieved was defining our project goals, developing user flows, and stories to begin development. Milestones in development include login and registration authentication, creating backend models such as listings, user profiles, etc., and basic front-end framework.
Our future work involves creating both front-end and back-end models. We are using Apollo Server, GraphQL, MongoDB, and researching hosting solutions like AWS for profile images and listings.
Okay, so our individual responsibilities. I can start. I handle doing a lot of the wireframes as well as integrating GraphQL to our server and then everything related to emails. So to confirm that our students are, that our users are students of UF Santa Fe, we are checking that they have the correct emails and then sending an email in order to verify that that is their account.
As for me, I created routing on our front end, some basic components such as the listing card and backend testing in Sandbox, alongside with user stories that will be used for the development of our project.
I started off by creating the MongoDB cluster and the specific databases we're going to be connected to, and I also connected that to the backend. Then I created some Mongo schemas to represent both subleases and users in our backend. And I'm currently working on the GraphQL CRUD operations for listings with user authentication through JSON Web Tokens.
Oh, for me, I've been working on using Apollo to connect the front end and the back end. I first created an Apollo provider.js file to help us interact with the GraphQL backend. I've also used their cache in-memory library so that we can get better response time and save server requests. And then as far as for the future, I'm planning to continue working on connecting the register and log into the backend.
I did the front-end UI for both the landing page and the sign-in page, and I also have been working on back-end testing on Sandbox. Now to a quick demo.
Okay, so for our demo, I'm going to show you our functionality for login and register. So right now, we're going to try to sign in with an account. It's a UFO account, so it will allow me to do it, but it's not verified yet. So if I try to log in, it's not going to let me. So you will see that I just received an email to my UFO account where I can go to our website to verify it whenever this loads. There we go. Later on, you'll be able to verify through here, but right now I'm just going to show you how it works in the backend. So you will see, here's our MongoDB. If we refresh, my account will be here somewhere. It's right there. It's not verified. So we will verify using our user ID, which I'm going to get right now. Then we'll put that in here. Oop, that is not what I wanted to do. Now we try to verify. It's verified now. If I log in, it's gonna let me log in. So that's our functionality.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We're SnapStays. Find short-term living in a snap.